Okay, students. Students, before starting with our lecture, the most important thing is you're going to take a big size drawing book. For your drawing, you're going to bring a big size drawing book. Okay, students, let's start with our today's lecture. So, students, in our today's lecture, we are going to learn color wheel. Okay, so as we will start with our lecture, I will give you more information about what is color wheel. Before that, we will see what materials we will need for today's lecture. So students, first important thing is your drawing book. Okay, then you are going to need your scale, your pencil, eraser, your scale, colors, your color dish, 2 bowls for water, your sketch pens, and students, most important thing, you're going to take something which is in circular motion. You can use a rounder also, or else you can use a plate, a big size bowl, and you can also take a CD as I have taken. You can take any type of thing which is there in circular shape. Okay students, so these are the materials which we will need for today's lecture. Okay students. And also you are going to need your brush so you can color the color wheel. Okay students. So students, it is very important to mark a margin from all the 4 sides on your drawing book. And you should see to it that your all side margins are equal. So we are going to take a proper measurement of a scale, and then we are going to start with the margin part. Okay, so with the help of scale, I am going to tell you how much centimeter you are going to take from your scale. From that only we are going to start with the margining part. So students, from 0 to 1 centimeter you are going to mark dot from all the 4 sides of a drawing book. Okay, after marking the dot from 0 to 1, we will start marking the margin. Okay, see how I am doing. You are just going to place your scale from 0 you are going to keep the scale on the paper and just mark a dot on number 1. Okay students, so see students, from all the 4 sides I have marked the dots as you all can see. Now with the help of scale I am just going to mark the straight line from the points. So it will be easy for you all to mark a straight line for a margin. So students, see, we are done with the margin, and it was very easy for me to mark the margin because first only I have mark the inches from all the sides. Now it's time to write our topic name, and today's our topic name is color wheel. So on the top we are going to write our today's topic name. Okay, so done with our topic name also. Now students, with the help of our CD, we are just going to mark a simple circle. Okay. So place your CD or other thing which you are going to take. For example, plate, bowl or other any circular shape. Just place that in the center. With the help of your pencil, just mark the circle. Okay. And I am just going to place a dot inside the circle, just like this. See students, we got a perfect circle. Now students, I will explain here what is color. Okay, so pay attention on what I am going to tell you. Okay students, now what is color wheel? In color wheel, there are total 3 types of colors. But in today's lecture, we are just going to learn 2 types of colors, and that are primary colors and secondary colors. Now students, what is primary colors? In primary colors, the colors are red color, yellow color and blue color. These are primary colors. These 3 are original primary colors and cannot be prepared by mixing any other colors. Now students, the primary colors are the original colors which you all can get directly in your color box. Those colors can't be prepared by mixing any other colors like red color, yellow and blue. These are the primary colors and cannot be prepared by mixing any other colors. Now we will move to secondary colors. In secondary colors, the colors are orange, violet or purple and green color. These are the 3 colors which are called as secondary colors. Secondary colors are prepared by mixing 2 original primary colors. For example, yellow plus red will make orange color. Red plus blue will make violet color. Blue plus yellow will make green color. Okay students? Now students, you all can get orange, violet and green color in your color box also. But students, these 3 colors you all can also prepare by mixing primary colors. Once again, I will repeat which are primary colors and which are secondary colors. So primary colors include like red color, yellow color and blue color. Secondary colors include orange, green and violet color. Okay students, so today we are going to learn coloring. So let's start. So students, with the help of our scale, we are going to divide our circle in 6 equal parts. Because we are going to need 6 equal parts for our color, because primary colors have 3 colors and also secondary colors have 3 colors. So we are going to divide our circle in 6 equal parts. Okay students? So see students, I have divided my circle in 6 equal parts. Okay. So now I will write here where we are going to give primary color and where we are going to give secondary color. So from top we are going to start with the primary color. Then we will move to our secondary color. Then again primary, secondary, primary and secondary. Like this we will divide our 6 equal colors. Okay students? So now we will make use of a color dish, water and our colors and also brush. So students, first we are going to start with primary colors. Okay, because for secondary colors we can make use of primary colors only. So the primary colors we are going to take is yellow color, blue, we are going to use light blue color and red color. These 3 primary colors first we are going to take out in a color dish. Okay. So students, in total I am going to take 5 drops of water in my each 3 section. So students, as you all can see, I have taken out my all 3 primary colors, that is yellow, red and blue color. So first we are going to remove yellow color in a color dish. So students, as you all can see, I have taken red color in the color dish and also I have removed some of the blue color, and lastly I am going to use the red color. Make sure before using the same brush in the color, you are washing your brush properly. Then only make use the brush in the second color. Just like this. Now students, we are done with 3 of the primary color. Okay. So now with the help of color, we will start with the coloring part on a color wheel. Okay. So students, first we are going to start with the yellow color. With the help of the yellow color, first we will start from this primary section. Okay. Students, make sure your color is not going out of the border. So with very carefully start doing your coloring part. See students, so we are done with a yellow color, that is our first primary color. Now we will move to a second color, and that is a blue color. Okay, before that wash your brush properly and clean. Now we will move to a second color, that is a blue color. So see students, we are done with one more secondary color, primary color, that is blue color. Now at the end we will move to red color. Okay. So students, see, we are done with a red color also. Now we will start with the secondary colors. And as I told you, for secondary colors, we are going to make use of primary colors only. We are going to take the primary colors and we are going to mix them so we can get a secondary colors. Okay. So students, first we are going to create orange color. For that we are going to take red color and yellow color. So first from our yellow color section, I am going to take some amount of color, like 2 drops. Okay. The same way we are going to take from red color also, 2 drops. And now we are going to mix them so we can get a orange color. So see students, as I have mixed the color, you all can see I got the orange color. See? Okay. Now as we got our orange color, we will move to a second color, secondary. And for that we are going to make use of red color and blue color. Okay. The same way we are going to do. We are going to take 2 drops of blue color and 2 drops of red color. Before that, make sure you are washing your brush properly. And then 2 drops of red color. So students, as you will mix it, you will get your violet color. Now we will move to a third color, that is a green color, for which you will need your yellow color and blue color. So students, as my yellow color is little only, so I am going to mix the blue color over here only. Okay. So students, as I mixed the yellow color and little bit of blue color, I got the color green. Okay. So now our three secondary colors are also done. Now how I got orange color? I mixed the yellow color and red color, so I got the orange color. For violet color, I mixed the red color and blue color, so that I got the violet color. And for green color, I mixed yellow plus blue color. I got green color. So we are done with our secondary colors also. Now we will start with our secondary color on our paper. Students, if you will mix red and blue and if you are getting purple color, then also it's okay. Okay, because violet and purple colors are the same shade color only. So now first we will start with a orange color. Make sure your primary colors are dried. Otherwise, if you will keep your hand on your primary colors, the colors will come out. It will get spread out. So make sure they are properly dried. Otherwise, you all can turn your paper the way I am doing. See students, so we are done with one secondary color, and that is a orange color. Now we will move to another color. So now it's time for a violet color. So students, as you all can see, we are done with a violet color also. Now it's time for a last color, and that is a green color. which we got by mixing blue and yellow. Okay. So see students, our today's drawing is completed. That is a color wheel. Yes or no? Yes. Now we will wait for some time so our color will get dry. Then with the help of sketch pen, we will just mark the borders. Okay students? So till our color is getting dry, once again we will see what are primary colors and what are secondary colors. Now students, primary colors are red color, yellow color and blue color. Secondary colors are orange, violet and green color. Orange color is made by mixing yellow color and red color. Violet color is made by mixing red color plus blue color. Green color is made by mixing blue color plus yellow color. Yes or no students? Yes. Now we will wait for some time so our color will get completely dried out. So students, our color is completely dry. Now I am going to take my black color sketch pen and I am going to mark the border. If you all want, you all can use black color sketch pen only, or else you all can use the same colors which we have done on a color wheel. So see students, our today's drawing is completed. Okay. Now you are going to do the same way I have shown here and you are going to send. Okay students. Thank you.